A for Anna. A for X. A for ant. A for apple. And A for arrow. One day Anna and her friend go to the garden. Both of them saw an arrow. She saw arrow in the garden. She followed that arrow. She followed that arrow and she saw an apple tree. Which tree? An apple tree. So many apples are there on the tree. So many apples are there on the tree. Suddenly she heard some sound and she followed that sound. She saw that one woodcutter cut the tree with the help of axe. What was he used to cut the tree? A for axe. He used an axe to cut the tree. Anna and her friend tell the woodcutter, please don't cut the tree. Please don't cut the tree. But he can't hear them. And he cut the tree with the help of axe. What was he used to cut the tree? An axe. There was so many ants. There was so many ants under the tree. And ants bite on woodcutter's ankle. An ant bite woodcutter's ankle. And woodcutter says, A. Woodcutter sounds A. Sound of A is A. And word from A is A for Anna. Who is she? She is Anna. She is a very clever girl like you. What is this? This is an axe. What is this? This is an ant. A for Anna. A for X. A for ant. A for apple. And A for arrow. Do you enjoy this story of vowels? A is a vowel. Do you enjoy this story of vowel A? Tell me. What is this? Yes, this is capital A. And what is this? This is a small a. Bye everyone.